Hello everyone, welcome to Beaver's Hobby channel. In this video, we're gonna take a look at DriftArt 2.6 EX. Let's start with a brief introduction. This is a rear-wheel drive chassis, adjustable between 1/20th and 1/24th scale. By which I mean you can adjust both the wheelbase and the width, so you can use it with a mini Z body, as well as 1/224 scale model. The price is $400, and that's a lot. At this price you would expect a full upgrade, right? And that's what I thought too when I unboxed it, but I was wrong. Sure, there are improvements on some parts, but the main upgrades are the front tilting servo kit, aluminum pulleys, aluminum toe-in blocks, rear adjustable lower arms, and rear shock mounters. It doesn't have the rolling shock that I said in the previous video, and I apologize for the wrong info I gave you. I'm so sorry, I didn't look at this more thoroughly. So, if you add all the upgrades together, the price does add up to $400 and more. But do you really need all of that? Probably not. It doesn't even have the rear aluminum bulkhead. I took them from a 2.0 to make it a little bit easier to build. Well, about the build. This is the hardest car I've ever built. It took me 5 hours, and that doesn't count the time I spent looking for the right components. I also didn't file the carbon fiber plate this time, because I took it from my 2.0 I built earlier this year, and that saved me about 45 minutes to 1 hour. And this is the point where I think innovation became over-engineered. The trouble was at the rear gearbox. The parts for the pulleys are very tiny. They came apart so many times I didn't even bother to count. So it was frustrating to say the least. The easiest way to assemble the upper pulley is to put everything on the shaft first. And then tighten the grub screws. Next, how does it drive? To be honest, in narrow configuration, it doesn't drive any different from the 2.5cc. I mean, it is super easy to control. The steering is extremely precise, so great handling as usual. With that being said, who is this for, and why should you pay $400 for it? Well, if you'll use a mini Z body or a narrow body, there's not much point getting this. The 2.6cc Plus, which is the new version of the 2.5 I had earlier, is more than enough. It'll drive the same at half the price. Then you can get the adjustable tilting servo later if you want, and that will still be much cheaper than getting the EX. But if you plan to use 1/24 scale model as a body, the EX version will give you a massive head start, because it has all the rear width adjustment parts, and this full kit will allow you to extend the rear to 88mm. Since I already have this kit, I guess I'll readjust it to 1/24 scale and use it with the new model kit I've just bought. Yeah, I've got another Supra, but that's topic for another day. And that's it for this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and click the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload a new video. You can follow me on Facebook or social media for quick updates, written reviews, news, and to see what I'm doing between videos. Thanks as always for watching, and see you again next time.